Grade 8, Alina, come down to admin office. I repeat, grade 8, Alina, come down to admin office.
Semester 2 take out social lesson number 1. Page number 238. Drink. Today's night. Water is extremely essential for all forms of life. Water is very important for all forms of life. Like water is important for animals and human beings. 70% of Earth is covered with water. Not all water is suitable for drinking and agriculture. Means our Earth is covered. 70% of Earth is covered with water. But suitable water for drinking is not good. Not sufficient. Yes, 70% of Earth is covered with water. Yes. So how much percent of land is there? 30% of land is there. Ions is probably a last bench. What are you doing? Ocean and sea water are salty, we require fresh water. Rainwater is the purest form of water. Anyone knows what is the purest form of water? Yeah. Success. Rainwater. What are the two rivers? What are the two types of rivers? Wait. Well, what are the two types of rivers? Two types of rivers. Non-perennial river and non-perennial river. In India, we have only a few lakes in the mountain regions, but we have many rivers across the country. Farming is carried out around these rivers without much influence. However, in places where there are non-perennial rivers or no rivers, people have managed to settle down and practice farming. Let us see how cultivation is made possible in these regions. Irrigation. Anyone knows what is irrigation? I will tell you. Let's tell it. Hey, what are you writing? drawn from the wells. Yes. Instead means instead. And from that hatke.
Yes, sir. We should give the explanation also.
Yes.
From aside one.
Okay. Bashi, stand up. Regis means Regis. Regis means.
That is out of topic, sir.
Yes. Regis means comes takes
Areas.
Bashi, you tell. Water is drawn from the wells with the help of dash. Okay. Tank irrigation. A tank reserve of any size can store rainwater. Yes. Well, talking on that time, a tank reserve of any size can store water of rainwater.
Yes.
You only all girls, I will give you minus 50. Tank water, yes. A tank reserve of any size, it can store rainwater for irrigation. Yes. Sir, instant means I don't know. See in the dictionary.
Sir.
You want to explain? What happened?
Sir, can I see it?
Sir, can I sit?
Not helping.
Sit.
I am not on this time.
Instead means another topic.
You told, no?
No.
And I only think everything.
Canals. What are canals?
Canals.
Stand up and tell. Canals can take water from areas where there are no rivers.
What you told? Canals can take water from areas with no rivers are there.
Yes. If we will build canals, we will build canals where there are no rivers. From another river, from far away, there will be a river. Okay? We will build a canal means we will build another river which will take water. Means here is a sea. Here is a pond. Yes. Here is a pond. Here is a village. Okay? Here is a village. So from here we will make the canal and we will take the water like this. So from here, okay?
Sir, what you told is we can take water from places where there are no rivers you told. We can take it told.
Okay. Sorry. You had a communication with that? Yes.
multi-purpose projects.
Smile, stand. Close the book.
Now you close the book. Ask them the purposes of
Ayan, Abu Bakar, dito na. Ayan, go back.
Sir, must you have to explain dams what?
Dams are strong walls built across a river. Built across rivers. You know, Ayan, I told.
Good minus Sir,
Dams are useful to in many ways. Sit. Keep quiet. What is multi-purpose project, Sophia? Don't see in the book what is multi-purpose project. Example.
She told me that are multi-purpose projects. Sir, I tell sir that dams are the example of multi-purpose projects, and the meaning of multi-purpose projects are projects made for many purposes. Like example, dams play like a tourist attractions also.
Oh, right. Choices. What are the uses of dams? Can anyone give example? Asi, you give one. Asi, you tell.
First, explain what are the uses of dams?
Basi, don't see them.
Sir, I can tell.
Okay, Masi, tell. Basi, you say.
Preventing the
Masi,
floods.
Ayan, tell. And
Reducing electricity.
okay, sit. Hey, Musfira, stand up.
Preventing floods.
What is water conservation?
I see sheep.
Close the book. No, that book she is having. Myra, take her book. No, Musfira's book. Hey, what is water conservation? Okay, sit you do also. Yeah. What is the most important natural resource? What is water conservation?
Sir, I know.
Most important natural resource. Okay, sit.
Sir, I know.
Okay, sit. Sit.
Saving water.
Huh?
Saving water.
What?
For future generation.
Okay. Again talking, Maya. Again talking. You go at the last bench. No, you go at the last bench. Go at the last bench. Go at the last bench. Water is the most natural resource.
Most
Important natural resource. It is therefore essential for conservation. Water prevents its pollution. Here are few measures to be taken. Water
Sir,
Yes.
first bench is talking.
Hey, so stand up. Go at the last bench.
No.
You move here to the corner. You go at the corner. It is called leakage. Store rainwater for no. What is agriculture? What is you know what is agriculture? Then okay, see. Agriculture means farming and it is the backbone of Indian economy. Nearly 70% of the population depends on agriculture for its livelihood. There are two types. What are the two types of crops grown in India? Cash crops. And one more is commercial crops.
Commercial crops.
Yes, rice, wheat, pulses, millets, barley are called cash crops.
Cash crops.
Oh, yes. Because we use them directly as food. Oh. Cash crops are then cash crops.
I know example. I know the meaning of cash crops.
Then
Cash crops are the crops we export to other countries or yes,
why you came here, Zian?
or sell to other countries or export them for money.
Muskira, sit properly.
What does it mean?
Duvelia, you also sit properly.
I asked for no, I want.
Hey,
Why you want?
keep quiet. Duvelia, stand up. Tell the examples of cash crops.
Cash crops.
Stand up. Don't see in the book.
Okay.
Hey, Nimsha, stand up. Stand up.
Hey, Nimsha, get up, you have to tell.
Rice requires how much temperature and how much water to grow? See here, close the book. Tell properly. Niveda, again you are talking your back. Go to last bench. Go to last bench. Go to last bench. Go to last bench. Go to last bench.
20 degrees Celsius. Yes, 20 degrees.
And how much of water?
No, she is not doing.
Go in, you go in. Go in, I told. Go in. Hey, go in.
What did you say?
Huh?
English?
But you keep